Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Musicolet app. You will click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Musicolet app. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store. You will search about Musicolet app, and here you can update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.